What's up YouTube? Today's tutorial is going to be a 4-ace reveal. A very fancy way to reveal 4 aces. It's a nice one. Have a look at it. It looks something like this right here. That is a 4-ace reveal. And how it's done, let's explain. Here's what you need. You need the 4 aces on top, just like this, to start this performance. And then what you do is, when you cut the deck in two here, you drag the top card, this ace here, I'll put it face up so you can see it. When you cut the deck in two, you put your index finger of your left hand on top and drag that top ace over to the other packet. Kind of like that. So now you got 1 ace over here, 3 aces over here. You push this ace out with your other index finger and then tap it and flip it up. Then you set the packs down, grab 1 ace from each side and put them up like this. And then you got 1 ace left here. And what you do when you pick this packet up, you push it out with your index finger and then tap it out and off. So it looks like, what it looks like you do is cut into the deck, finding 1 ace, getting that ace, and then finding 1 ace in the middle like that, and then flip that other ace out, and that is the 4-ace reveal. And if you, at full speed, it looks pretty impressive, as long as you don't screw it up. It requires a lot of practice to do this right, but once you get it right, it looks really nice. Yeah, so that's a 4-ace reveal. A really fancy, nice way to do it, just like this. And you have the 4 aces revealed. So if you liked the video, come back, share it, drop a like, subscribe, press the little bell so you get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video.